Everyone, welcome back to another show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 19th to the 21st or 23rd of December 2022 on Monday. Outstanding demand to be introduced to Lumka and Sizo is forced to come clean. Pretty gives Zibugo a piece of her mind as Dompi saves Zibugo's life on Tuesday. Gladys prepares to meet Nkosinati's mom. Zodwa'S struggle to come to terms with Sibongile's pregnancy. Sondo's health takes an unexpected turn on Wednesday. Sondo wants spiritual prayers. Mr. Fago cast himself for the school play. Lumka reveals she's a born-again Christian on Thursday. Sondo refuses Pretty's help and puts her trust in the Lord. Sibongile can't meet Zodwa'S one condition in order to be forgiven. A young couple decide to try again but to take things slowly on Friday. Mr. Fago learns his play might not happen. Sibongile starts seeing children differently. The car wash is excited for its event. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.